Hello everyone. So today I'm going to talk about some of the drawing materials I use for drawing, and this is going to be the first lesson. I'll be going through all the drawing materials, showing you the papers, pen, pencils, ink pen, and mechanical pencil which I use for drawing. I'm trying to make a art lesson, and this is going to my first video in that series. I have never made any video before, but I'm trying to do that. So let's start with this pencil. This is a graphite pencil. As you can see, this is Winsor & Newton. This is one of the very good brand, and these are pencil, and 6 of them, starting with 2H, which is very light, to 8B, which is going to be very dark. So these are the graphite pencils. These are the basic pencils which most of the people use when they start learning to draw. Then these are charcoal pencils. These are way darker as compared to the graphite pencils. So this is, I can say, a little bit of an advanced user. If you step further into the drawing, when you learn a little bit more, because they are a bit difficult to handle as compared to the graphite pencils. So they have a special eraser to erase these. So you can see this is soft, it must be hard, and there are some charcoal sticks, and that can be used to draw as well. And it comes with an eraser which is called kneaded eraser. You can just make any shape you want, and it will be very easy for erasing the stuff. And there is one sharpener. I'm not promoting any brands, but these are some of the good brands which I picked it up, and I use it often. So you can buy anything you guys want, but I'll be using these because I have used them in past and I really like it. So I will walk you all through all these materials one by one, but right now I'm just showing what I got. So let's move into this. So the other kind of materials which you can use for drawing are these fountain pen. They are a bit old-fashioned, but I like to use them sometimes because they give a certain texture to the drawing which is very unique, and it gives a vintage look. So it can be used for calligraphy, but sometimes when you just want to make something look very different, I would say, and these are really good and cool stuff to use, and we can have some experiment with these as well. I got some extra cartridges for that, so I'll be using this, and I will show you all how to use this in later videos. Next is, these are the pens, and they come in 3 colors: black, blue, and red. Basically these are kind of micro pens, Micron. They are also, I think this is some other brand, this is Pigma. I have used Micron in past, but these are really cool, and these are used for architectural drawing or freehand drawing, and they are pretty cool as well. The one which I bought has a little bit longer nib, and it gives me flexibility to draw in whatever shape and form I want. But there are certain which comes in 0.5, 0.3, 0.7 mm as well, so you can buy those as well. These are some of my mechanical pencils. This is Grapher 1000, Grapher 500, and this is also grapher 1000, but this is 0.9 mm. This is 0.7 and this is 0.5. These are very handy if you want to draw an outline, or you want to draw a what you call some outline. Yeah, basically you can draw outline with these, or cross hatch. These are very good for cross hatching. So I'll be showing you all how to use this. And finally, I would like to show this. This is a mannequin. You can use this for reference, and these are very handy. It will show you how to draw human shape and form in whatever shape you want. You want them to be standing like this, walking, dancing, going in directions, so you can use them for a reference and then draw accordingly, and then draw the face and other body forms and draw clothes or whatever form you want. So these will be pretty handy. So let's move on to the notebook, or you can call it a sketchbook, which I'll be using to draw. These are Arteza acid-free heavyweight paper, 100 sheets, and important is 68 lb, 100 grams, so they'll be pretty good. The paper thickness will not be very hard, but it can be used for all kinds of drawing, basically pencil drawing, I would say. For watercolor and acrylic you won't be using this, but for pencil drawing or ink pen drawing, these will be very good. I have sketched some before using these pencils, so these are some of my sketches which I have done before. So you can see they turn out pretty good. And I have used these mechanical pencils and some other graphite pencil to draw the shades, but these are some of the drawings. You see the effects. I like this one a lot. Yeah, so pretty much I'll be drawing and showing you how to use all these materials in the coming videos. Please like and subscribe and share. Thanks everyone for watching this video. Hope to see you in next video. Thanks. Bye.